welcome to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. My name is Ellie. Today's sequence is all about energizing the body, creating that natural alignment, that strength, coordinating the upper body, lower body movements. We will flow through a sequence that includes Warrior 2, side angle, crescent, and wide leg forward fold. This sequence requires no props. If you need a chair, a blanket, or a block, please get them. Otherwise, let's enjoy practicing together, always being mindful of the breath, your nice, strong stability stance. Let's begin. We'll stand together, having our feet nicely planted on the mat. Palms are open, facing forward. Shoulders are softened. Let's inhale and exhale through the nose, being mindful of our breath, practicing that stillness in motion as we move with the breath, feeling that cleansing breath. Place the hands on the heart, feeling the warmth of the breath. Cherish the breath, embrace the breath. Allow it to create movement, instill strength, and bless us with that grace and consistency in our practice. Place the hands down by your side. Nice cleansing breath as we lift the arms up, inhaling, and then exhaling as we push the palms down through the air. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Place the feet a little bit hip width apart. Toes are planted forward. The heels are nicely grounded. Bring the arms out to the side and just gently tilt side to side, awakening the upper back. Feeling that nice grounding, having our hips square, facing forward. Some playful movement to warm up the shoulders and create that nice hugging movement of our ribs as we inhale and exhale through the nose. Excellent. Coming to that neutral spine, fingertips are wide. Gently expand, inhaling and exhaling as you bring those hands close to your heart. Just flowing with your own rhythmic breath, inhaling and exhaling. Excellent. Have the palms down and rest the hands on the outer thighs. Angle that left foot, 45-degree angle. That right foot has a nice bend coming into the stance of that Warrior 2. That right knee is in line with that right ankle. Extend through the arms, looking your gaze over that right fingertips. Feeling soft in the shoulder, hugging those inner thighs together to support you. Inhaling and exhaling that positivity. Let's place that right hand on that right thigh and extend through that left side, softening the shoulder, coming into that side angle. If you wish, you may place that right elbow on your right leg or remain in this grounded stance with your right hand supporting you. Feeling openness on that right side, really feeling strong and connected. Those left fingertips all the way to the left heel. Excellent. Lifting up through the ribs, the core, coming back into that warrior two stance. Taking that left hand, lowering it down, and we shift and swivel that left heel up. Toes are pointing forward, coming into our crescent pose. Feeling strong, feeling balanced on that right side and the left side. Softening through the shoulders, breathing. The crown of the head lifted towards the ceiling. Our gaze is forward. Windmill that left hand down as that left heel comes in contact with the mat, resting in this warrior stance. Straighten out on that left side, turning the toes inward. So both toes are pointing inward, the heels are pointing outward. The hands come to the waist. We're strong, we're connected. Gently forward fold at the hips, coming into a nice gentle fold. Again, if you prefer, you can have a chair handy, ready to hold on. Otherwise, the hands remain at the waist, supporting the lower back, lengthening through the tailbone all the way to the crown of the head. Feeling that nice stretch in the hamstrings, connected with your breath. Gently lift up, supporting yourself with your hips. Extend out through that left side now, bending that left knee in line with the left ankle. That right toe is inward slightly, drawing a nice line from the heel all the way to the arch, coming into that warrior pose. Extending through on that left side, the gaze is towards the fingertips. Feeling strong, feeling connected in this warrior stance. Gently soften through that right hand, placing it on, that left hand, placing it on that left thigh. And extend through that right arm into this side angle. Again, if you prefer, put that left elbow down, the forearm resting on the thigh. Otherwise, support yourself nicely, keeping that knee in line with the ankle. Let's lift up, coming back into this warrior stance, strong and connected. Cascade that right arm around as you windmill and swivel that right heel up. Toes are facing forward into this nice crescent. You have your hips, your inner thighs hugging. Your core is holding you tight. Let's fully rotate on that right side, dropping the heel back down into that angled position, coming back into warrior. Very proud of you. Gently straighten out through that left side, angling the toes inward on that right side. Hands come to rest on the waist. Again, we forward fold. This time, elongating again through the spine, the head, the neck, the spine, the tailbone are in alignment. Bring your hands to rest on that chair or gently forward fold into the pose. Ever so slightly lifting up, creating that balance and support, softening through the knees to protect, using the muscles to guide you and support you. Weight is fully in the heels. Gently walk the hands up if you have them down or on the chair. Placing the hands on the waist and lift up using your hips, your core. Feeling that nice strong stance. Gently walk the feet in, heel to toe, heel to toe. As we come back into that grounding mountain stance. Lift the arms up and inhale and exhale. Feeling connected with that mind, body, spirit. Feeling that grace, that strength, that positivity. Embrace movement. Embrace your strength, your weaknesses. Always feel that reassuring breath, that cleansing breath. Excellent job. Having your heels forward, your feet forward, hip width apart. Gently bend through the knees and shift side to side. Just loosening up through the upper body, swinging the arms forward and back, lower body. Just energizing the whole body. Bringing some playfulness into this yoga flow as we conclude. Always focusing on that positivity, being mindful of all your thoughts, all your emotions, but always knowing that you have that breath to connect to aid and support you, to care for you. Excellent job. Bring the hands to heart center. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste. Blessings, friends. Have a beautiful day.